So this gray box is called the dock, and this is where some of your add-on toolboxes are going to live. And I'm going to show you the different tools that you can use to change the dock to suit your needs. So the first one's going to be O for organize. If you click this, you're going to get the grid view, and you're going to be able to move these toolboxes around as you like. So I can switch these and put them wherever I want. If I turn it off, then you can no longer move them. And then the second one's going to be R for resize. And that does what it says. It resizes the dock to bigger or smaller. If you have more toolboxes, you can make it larger. If you have fewer and you want it to be taking up less space, then you can make it smaller. And then M is for move. And you're going to click and drag to move the dock around. You can put it wherever you want. And that's all the features of the dock.